Welcome back to Craft. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this will be a quick video just showing you how to screen print on a Windows computer. So this is a Surface laptop, and to screen print on the Surface laptop, I would hit this button right here with the button that says print screen. So you would just hit those two buttons at the same time and it would print your screen. It does not pop up in the corner or anywhere like that. On the Windows computer, it puts it in like a different box wherever you have your screenshots. Let me just open this up. And it'll go to wherever you have your screenshots. So I have it in a special folder that says screenshots. And sometimes it prints it in a weird order. Where is it? Did it not screenshot? Okay, let me try it again, y'all. I don't think I pressed it, because I'm trying to record with one hand and do it with one hand. So you just press these two buttons. There we go. It got dark. I'm not sure if you saw that. Let me do it again. So the screen, you have to do it at the same time, otherwise it'll pop up the other thing. You press those two and the screen got black, and there's my screen print, or my screenshot right there in my screenshot folder. There we go. So that's how you screenshot on the Windows computer. For Apple, let me just get that really quickly. All right, for Apple, you hit three buttons. You hit Shift, Command, and the number 3. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Shift, Command, and 3. And then a little box will come up showing you that you screenshot, and then it'll just go to my desktop. And I'll just open, nope, wrong one. Where'd it go? And there it is. It'll go to my desktop and I just open it up there. So that's how you do a screenshot. I hope that helped.